At Interact, our passion is in our name. We are very passionate, and our core value is all about dynamic interaction that builds memories that last a lifetime. Getting people together and having a good experience, from the food they're eating to the people they're talking to the games they're playing, are really a big passion. It all started when I was younger, much younger, 1984, and we were doing field games, and I was running different games and competitions, and years later I ended up getting picked up to do stuff for corporate culture. It was Microsoft, then it was Nike, then it was Intel, then it was Boeing, Qualcomm. We just blew up in the world of adult field games and team building. And so we quickly began to customize and adjust ourselves, and I completely went crazy over making the best team building. We even had Briggs Meyer self-discoveries. We were doing team developments where it was immersive team building. And we still offer immersive team building, but the flavor nowadays is a little more morale boosting and having events just to get people together, because we don't really do much togetherness anymore. So in the early 90s, we continued to grow, and we went from just team building field games. We got into rides and attractions. So we were one of the first few people to bring to the West Coast sumo and the Orbitron and gladiator joust and bouncy boxing, and those are funny things to look back on now, but those were huge things back for corporate culture to do these whimsical games. But as that happened, our rental department took off. We developed a unique table kit system that we have our own custom fitted covers, 9 foot, not 6 foot, 9 foot market umbrellas, and we offer a portable package that nobody can beat, price and quality and shape. And so our tents, our tables are very efficient. Our custom wrapping, our digital printing, we have flagging for our tents as marquees to help with communication and movement, flow, and the vibe. Again, our passion is dynamic social interaction, and part of that is the way things look. The other part of that is the way things sound, and things have to sound right. We are the only company that I know of that will satellite, 600, 800 to 3,000 feet of XLR cable going to speaker clusters throughout an event, so that we can keep a low volume but a very high quality sound, and it permeates, everybody hears it, everybody doesn't get blasted. It's a great way for vibes and everything. In addition to a good AV department, we've grown an amazing catering department. Our catering department provides a taste that is barbecue competition. We are actually right now entering into several competitions with our tri-tip and with our brisket. We offer an amazing barbecue smoked experience. Our team name for the American Masters Barbecue Association is Team Smoke. Hopefully we'll have some ribbons soon. And we got to this place by years and years of being obsessive and compulsive about each department. I love what I do. I love the people I work with. I love the attendees. I love the dynamic social changes in every environment, the challenges. It's something I'm really blessed with. This industry is a wonderful industry, and I'm super happy to be part of it. When you look at our inflatables and our rides and attractions, you look at the things that we make, which we own several patents on, like our mega casino, our escape room, our scavenger hunt. We own a company that also manufactures a lot of our games. Our custom field games are second to none because we make them. And again, it's the passion for what we do, the obsessive compulsive focus as we grew our catering and our skill set there, as we grew our team building and field games and our skill set, as we grew our rentals, as we grew our entertainment like the billiards and casinos and our passive games for white collar and for breakout sessions. All these things came from literally obsessing over what is the best, most efficient way to provide a great bang for the buck. And what does that bang mean to us? That is dynamic social interaction, building memories that last a lifetime, connecting people in a very high vibe kind of way. So from large scale events to small events, from breakout rooms at a hotel, to fancy holiday parties, to big picnics, to summertime themed fun, high energy team builder morale boosters at a beach, at a parking lot, in a loading dock. We've perfected many different packages to have a great solid fit for every customer demographic. We own everything and we almost do everything. And we've spent years of being obsessed and focused. We have many MCs. You may not see me at your event, but I am very active. I go to as many events as I can. We have an incredibly younger, savvy crowd coming up in the company. Unbelievable team of managers, workers, event savvy staff. And so we are Interact. And if you need an interactive company to build interaction into your event, if you believe that your event should be focused on take-home memories, not just the assets that are on the ground, then we are your best one-stop shop. We really are. You can come visit our warehouse. You can come to one of our events and taste our food. It is all top of the line and designed for large scale, small scale people that, again, really want to take care of their attendees. I'm just super grateful for someone watching this video to get to know us in a personal way and to know our flavor and to know our passion. We're savvy in this very difficult world of all kinds of noise because, again, dynamic social interaction experiences that evolve into take-home memories. That is what you're paying for. And that's our core value, our focus. That's where our wisdom and our experience and all of our time and energy has gone into. Every department has been fine-tuned. And it's just an honor to have you spend this video learning about us and me and getting to know the company. And if you use us, blessings to you, and thank you very much for your time sitting down and watching this.